Hello friends, in this video I will show you how to fix Scrollbar disappears in Windows 10 or 11. So to resolve this problem, open Chrome browser. Now search here Chrome semicolon double slash flags. So type this command, then press enter. Now in this page, search overlay. Scroll bars. So search here overlay scroll bars. Now here click on this drop down and select disabled. Then just you have to relaunch. To resolve this issue, you have to relaunch this Chrome browser. Hopefully guys, after relaunch, you can fix and resolve Chrome scroll bar. Chrome scroll bar disappears in Windows 10 or 11. Thanks for watching. Please comment this method work for you or not.